The Sherlock Holmes Robert Goulet sketch. Super Showcase. As two totally bonkers, awesome, and nasally weirdo game show models, Kristen Wiig and Maya Rudolph are so over the top in this game show sketch. They break Bill Hader nearly in half. When they have to handle a chicken, it's the beginning of the end. Crazy Doctor's Office Misplaced Baby. Will Ferrell is in top form, playing an absent-minded doctor in this crazy doctor bit with Molly Shannon and the nearly unbreakable Chris Parnell. It's all fine and dandy until the appearance of Tim Meadows as Dr. Poop. Jeffries. Jimmy Fallon and Sean Hayes, who appear to be Stefan's brothers from another mother, are playing two snotty clothing store clerks. And they make an invisible square around themselves in unison to demonstrate an indice square early in the sketch. Fallon breaks. Hot Tub Lovers. Rachel, Dratch, and Will Ferrell were hell-bent on being the most cringe-inducing couple as Roger and Virginia, the Love-ahs. In this hot tub sketch, they try to lure Jimmy Fallon's character, as well as a fully clothed Barbara Hernandez Drew Barrymore, into a four-way. Fallon, who looks like he was not present at rehearsal, and is hearing all of this weird stuff for the first time, breaks a little more than midway through the sketch. Then Barrymore goes,
"Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye."